Hello guys, welcome to All About Tourism channel. My name is Vedant. This is my first video, so please do like, subscribe and share. My first topic is about Statue of Unity. My first topic is about the height of the statue. The Statue of Unity is the tallest in the world, standing tall at the height of 182 meters. It is almost the double of the height of the Statue of Liberty in the United States of America and 23 meter taller the China Spring Temple of Buddha statue. My second topic is about the location of Statue of Unity. It is at the Satpura Hills and at the Sardar Sarovar Dam, Kevadia. It is very small village in the state of Gujarat and at the cone of Narmada River in India. My third topic is about the duration. The duration to make the statue is almost 3.5 years. It means almost 42 months. It also consists the work of 3,000 workers and 300 engineers. Do you know the statue can also withstand earthquake and serve wind velocity? The wind velocity can also be at the speed of 180 km per hour. Then also the statue can withstand. My fourth topic is the most important topic of the statue. It means the viewing gallery. The viewing gallery is almost at the height of 153 meter from the ground level, and it has almost the capacity of 200 people. The area which is surrounded near the statue and the Sardar Sarovar Dam, which is also in the front of statue, we can see it easily from the viewing gallery. The man who made this project successful was named as Ram Vanji Sutar. He is at the age of 95 years. He had made many types of sculpture in his life, and he is a very great sculptor. The main fact of the statue is its material. The Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was known as the Iron Man of India, so the iron was collected from whole country to make this statue. Yes, the iron was collected from the whole country. It is very great work done by the workers and the engineers. When you enjoy the outside surroundings, the statue also contains a big museum under his legs, which also has 2000 photographs, 4000 documents of the life of Iron Man Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and it has also a small head of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, which was also made by the sculptor Ram Vanji Sutar. So guys, this is the end of the video. So please do like, subscribe, share and comment and hit the bell icon. And once visit the place, it is very beautiful to visit the place. And if you need any type of updates, or you should give any type of update, so please visit my Instagram profile. The Instagram link is given in the description box. Thanks for watching my video and hit the bell icon for new updates.